This is a beginner price action strategy for gold on the 1-minute time frame. The first thing we need to do is switch to a line chart because it's easier to see pullbacks. Next, we will draw a breakout line that has at least 3 touches. 4 touches means this resistance is very strong. If price breaks through this line, that is an obvious indication of a downtrend. After price breaks, we will look for 3 consecutive pullbacks of price pulling up and pushing back down. Price must go up, then come back down. The first trade will be a pending order with the entry below the breakout line. The stop loss will be roughly 8 to 10 pips with a take profit of 15 pips. Let's fast forward the video and see how our pending trade does. Price broke through, triggered our trade, and created a strong downtrend. Even though price has not reached our take profit, we will place another short trade when price pulls back. Let's fast forward the video and wait for another pullback. Price has created a perfect pullback with a double top confirming a downtrend. I will place another short trade with a take profit of 15 pips and a stop loss of 10 pips. Let's fast forward the video and see how this new trade does. Price came close to hitting our stop loss. This is due to the spread of the broker. Always find a broker with tighter spreads. The trade still went in our favor. We have another example of a perfect pullback, indicating a sell trade. The stop loss will be 10 pips and a take profit of 15 pips. Let's fast forward the video and see how this trade does. Price has gone in our favor again. This would be 3 pullbacks in total. Price will rarely have a 4th. If it does have a 4th, it will be a deep pullback. I will place a 4th and final trade, but this one is risky as I will likely get stopped out. Let's fast forward the video and see how this final trade does. If this channel gets more subscribers, I will make more in-depth videos. It looks like I got stopped out. This is due to bad spreads and a weaker downtrend. The first 3 pullbacks are always strong. Going for a 4th is risky and could get you stopped out. Let's review how this is done. First, switch to a line chart and then draw a breakout line with at least 3 touches. Next, we place a pending order outside of the breakout line. After price breaks out, we wait for a perfect pullback. If the pullback is not perfect, then we do not trade. That's why a line chart is so important for this strategy to work. Remember to stick to only 3 pullbacks. Try to avoid fear of missing out and avoid placing a 4th pullback trade. Let's try to get this channel up to 10,000 subscribers.